Hello everyone, I'm Esther from IEMAI 3D. Today we are talking about our high temperature 3D printer, MyJack HT Pro from IEMAI 3D. This printer can reach 500 Celsius degree printing temperature and 2000 Celsius degree hot bed temperature and 120 Celsius degree chamber temperature. So this printer can print a lot of high performance materials like PEKK, nylon, and so on. It has a modular individual door extruder, can avoid motor interference when two materials are printed at the same time. Printing size can reach 310, and 410 millimeters. We all know that high temperature printers are using a wide range of fields. MyJack HT Pro can be used in medical fields of medical implant PEKK. For aerospace applications, Atom can be printed to achieve lightweight industrial part printed with some high performance materials and have good chemical properties. In addition, MyJack HT Pro have a moisture cabinet profile. We can put the materials inside it to moisture out. Some other functions like power field recovery, filament absent warning, and auto shutdown system.